Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, good morning, all of you. How are you? Chandrasekharji?
Morning, Sounds.
Yes.
Good
So,
morning, Pawan Sahib. Good morning.
good morning, good morning. So, what is the, I can't see here the attendance, how much is there now? Chandrasekharji, how much is there?
8 is there. 8.
8. Okay.
While
So,
you're winding up,
yeah,
while you're closing, just give me a call.
yeah. So, last week we discussed about the general, well, you are buying some, because see, there are lot of things are important. Whatever today so-called Vastu people, they are doing the corrections, they are doing from inside, which is only for our problem responsible about 30 to 40%. 60 to 80% surrounding is responsible. Okay, if the surrounding is taken care, so inside will not harm you. That will harm only 30 to 40%. So what I am going to do today, and each and every classes, we will take some live case studies, which recently I did. After this, I will go. Yesterday evening, I got a case at about 6 o'clock. I immediately rushed because it was very urgent and I attended. I came home at about 9:30. Then I made my this somehow managed and made the slideshow. Okay, but there are some this thing is there, but slowly I will improve. Anyhow, so last week we discussed how surrounding is important for selection of the any property. In the surrounding means what? We take what day to day we are seeing. Okay, there are certain alignment from the center of the building at so and so particular angle. Some structure has come, certain mountain has come about 5 kilometer distance. Some TV tower is there. That we'll discuss later on. We will take the easy, simple method because in front of the house, nearby vicinity, okay, within 100 yard you can take it, within 50 yard. Okay, there should not be any temple, there should not be any church, there should not be any gurudwara, there should not be any police station, there should not be any jail, there should not be any activities, burial ground. Why? Because in this place, if church, temple, police station, the person who come, he is having a lot of pain. The pain vibration spread. If suppose something has come, we can't do the changes. Very easy method is suppose in front of your house it has come, we can grow some tree like Ashoka tree, etc. can be grown, which will protect, which is not seen. Suppose that is not practical, it is a society, it is not practical, and you are staying on the third floor, fourth floor, which is not practical. Okay, whatever windows are open, from where you can see those things, put a thick curtain, very easy. Okay. Then second part comes the high voltage cable. It also create the high voltage cable, then telecommunication tower, then transformer, substation. This also create the same problem, but high voltage cable problems are more. It create the cancer also. If you're taking the magnetic compass reading, you will say even the high voltage cable is almost about 1 kilometer away. The reading will get deflected almost about 10 to 15 degree. Okay, so we have to close the doors and window and put the curtain, and you have to take the reading to know the perfect reading. Next part comes what it happened. Okay, because of the high frequency magnetic field is getting changed, our body blood circulation get affected. Suppose you are sleeping towards keeping the head toward that particular high voltage cable, so you are getting the head related problem. If your left body is getting exposed, you are getting the heart problem, left kidney problem, etc. Depending on which chakra is getting exposed and how much it is getting exposed, the frequency depend on that. Next part comes the soil, etc. There are four types of soils are there. One we call the Brahmin, which is the white soil. Second is the Kshatriya, which is the red soil. Next is the Vaishya, which is the yellow soil. And last fourth one is the Shudra, which is the black. So generally first three soils are good. Red is excellent. Black is not very good soil. Okay, should avoid. Then the how we do the soil test, whether that land which we are buying. Olden days, my father used to tell me in 1964, 63, okay, My grandma, when used to buy the land, what used to do? She used to put some ragi seed on and she used to water. If the tree seeds will grow good, that land is very good. Okay, that was the thumb rule that time. Okay, it is a fertile land. So we had to see that the land, there should not be any thorn, mountain, stone, etc. Okay, if the land is a mountain type plot, then also building that create problem. But backside of the mine, there should be some tree or building that will support. I mean, we should not reject that property. In short, slope is from the south to north, west to east. That is very good, which we discussed. This is just I am giving 5 minutes revision. Then we'll go to the case study. Okay, that is also very good. Beside that, for the land test, okay, if you are buying, then there is one more test is there for the land test, that dig out 2 feet by 2 feet, just fill up the water, fill, and walk down about 100 steps. Again, you come out, return it. See that if it is a full, it is very good. It is a half, it is a good. It is a getting empty, that site should be rejected. Our second test is there, fill up the same soil in the uh, pit. You can hear me now clearly,
Yes,
Chandrasekhar?
yes, yes.
You want me to wear the headphone? My voice is clear?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Yeah. If you dig out 2 feet by 2 feet, okay, and depth 2 feet, and refill the soil. If the soil is left little bit, it is good. It is the equal is there. That is the first soil is left. It is excellent. Equal is there. Nothing is left. Balance is there. That is a good soil. And it has gone down. That is the you have to reject the site. That is the thumb rule. Olden days they used to follow. Next part we come in the vicinity of the surrounding. There should not be any commercial center because the energy is very high in commercial center where the activities are more, main road, etc. Because of which the sleep when you're taking rest, there will some problem will be there, high young energy we call. But for that, what you have to do, if it is already there, we can't change the house. Okay, put a thicker curtain to the windows. Okay, the vibration, the noise will not come. Put the AC and can be managed. Beside that, we have seen last week how this system started. There are 5 elements. Okay, 5 elements. First is the water. Which color is the blue color? I told you. The sign is a zigzag sign. Second is the air, which is the color is the green color. The sign is a rectangle. Third is the fire. Fire is again, it is a triangular shape. Color is the red color. Next part comes the earth. Earth is a square, yellow color. And then comes the space, okay, which called the metal also, which comes the round, which color is the gray or the white. These are the 5. If you see the whatever I told you, water, air means what? Wood. From where we get the air? We get the air from the wood. Okay. So if you go the clockwise, whatever order I said, first I said water, then I said air, then I said fire, then I said earth, then I said space or the metal. If you go the clockwise, that is the production cycle. Okay. If you now, who is the father for the air? For the wood, father is the water. Okay. Father is the, who is the grandfather? Space. Who is the water father? Who is the father for the water? Is the space, metal. This previous one is the father. Okay. Who is the father? After previous to that, whatever is there prior to that, that is the thing. But when the grandfather comes in your house, he spoils you. He will pamper you. He'll give the chocolate. He'll give the all junk food. Same way, if the space will distract the air, what earth will distract the water. Okay, water will distract the fire. Okay, wood will distract the earth. So these color either by sign or by element, by the color, if these zones, particular zone which we are going to discuss, if it will come, then that will create a problem. Any doubt so far whatever we discussed before starting the new chapter?
Yes, yes.
5 element is very clear. Down we will see in the new how these 5 elements govern. Before that, we will see what are the directions are there. There are 4 main directions, that is the east, west, north, and south. Most of the people, they don't have the knowledge about the direction. If you are facing to the east and standing, to your right is the south, to your left is the north, and to your
West.
backside is the west. Is it very clear? Between east to north to east, the direction called northeast. Between east to south, the direction called southeast. Between south to west, the direction called southwest. Between west to north, the direction called the northwest. This based on the Vastu, they are doing this much. But we went one step ahead. What we had done between northeast to north, that direction also we have taken care. That direction called the north of the northeast. Between northeast to east, that direction called the east of the northeast. Then again from the east to between southeast, the direction called the east of the southeast. Like that, we have taken the 16 direct sectors zoning we have done, and each zone governs certain activities in our house. Each zone activities in our house. Again, from the southeast to south, that zone called the south of the southeast. Again, from the south to the southwest zone is there, that is called the south of the southwest. Again, west to the southwest, that called the west of the southwest, which is very important zone, west of the southwest. That is our saving and knowledge. If that zone is, toilet will come or some young atom will put it, then your saving will get drained out. West zone, which is also very important, which is our profit. If in that zone something anti-element or anti-activities will come, then that thing get northwest, between west of the northwest. That is also very important to remove the toxins for our body, detoxification. Again, from northwest, it is the support and banking. If that zone something has come in northwest, then you are not getting the support from your colleague, some team or banking support you are not getting. And again, from northwest to west, the zone which come, that will call sex and attraction. In that zone, if some activity with the bedroom relationship, husband wife will get affected. If young children they are sleeping there, they will not read. They will go on all on TV and vulgar things. They will go on seeing. Okay, so we have to avoid that. In the north, which is the your career and opportunity, which is very important. If somebody called me about 4 years back, sir, I interviewed 4 to 5 times at Netherlands, still I am not getting my appointment letter. I just told, in your north, there is some window, you have put the red curtain, just remove that, go to a big bazaar, get a blue curtain. I send the photo which type of curtain you should buy, and just put it. Within 4 days, he got an appointment letter. Okay, he said it is a miracle. It is not a miracle, it is a science. Again, between the north and the northeast, I told this is the north of the northeast, which governs our health and immunity. Okay, if something wrong comes here, the health and immunity will get affected. So we have to balance overall this zone to get the energy of this thing. So what we do generally, we discuss this thing step by step. I give only the briefing. Each chapter we'll discuss in detail later on. First, I give how it works because this is concerned with my next lecture. Here I am taking a case study. Okay, before taking the case study, what we do before correction of the any of the house or independent house or the flat. No house is good. What is the attendance, Chandrasekhar? I can't see from here.
Attendance is 9.
Yeah.
Nine
What is,
people.
yeah. What is the cause of the problem? What we have to diagnose? How we do? We do the 4-step method. First step, we check the main door. Okay. There are certain areas where the main doors are permitted. There are certain areas where the main doors are not permitted. Okay. If the wrong place also, main door will come. On the threshold, we provide certain colors of the sticker, or we provide certain paint or certain metal strip. We drill, cut the flooring, vertically and insert certain metal strip or the wire. Okay. Then comes we do the 16 division. For this, we require the accurate to the scale the plan. To the scale plan is very important. Okay. And in that, the direction must be shown either by the using the 3D compass, which is available on each and every mobile, or using the magnetic compass, or you can go on the Google Earth Pro, download that, and from there also you can show. Then comes the activities and the element. These 16 zones which I told, it has got the different activities, different uh, element. Okay, this should not go, anti-activities or anti-elements should not go in the different places. Then comes the programming. Programming means we keep some 3D picture or some idle we keep or this thing. Each and every sector is important. The thumb rule, how you will do. So we don't know, sir, ABCD about Vastu. What is the thing? Okay. Now, whatever the 16 zones, sir, I don't remember all those things. What 16 zones? Very easy thumb rule. Olden days, what they used to do? Before Diwali, they remove all junk items, throw it, not wanted. Just do the whitewash and wash it. Clear. Okay. Now, some property you are dealing. I got some call, sir, I am dealing some property, it is not getting disposed of. And he is giving me very good percentage share and brokerage. He said, I will give you 5%, 10%, but do help me. But I trying since so many years. When I say, okay, show me that property. When he has shown, the entire property was blackish, all fungus accumulated on the wall, all those things that create the negative energy. The moment some client comes inside, he reject. Just now in the Amazon, the pressure water cleaning equipment is available. Okay, just collect it, just clean it thoroughly first. Clean it thoroughly. Now earlier, what is they should put the sandpaper and wipe out and then do all those things. Now just clean it. That is more than sufficient. That is taken care of 60 to 70%. You want something more? Just use ivory color or off-white color paint. Just whitewash it. Don't paint it. Just whitewash it. Then third part, clean the flooring thoroughly. After surrounding also, whatever your fencing is there, clean it. Then surrounding gate also you have to paint based on the direction, whatever colors I give. And then third part, what you do, you have to remove the negative energy. What is this negative energy? Because in any property, when the land is there, so 10,000 years, whatever activities has gone, happened because of that, some negative energy get trapped. This energy to remove, I have given the salt, rice, camphor, and tulsi. How to put it? That can be put and remove. Okay, after 24 or 48 hours or 60 hours, collect it and keep all four corners and wipe out the floor. And morning and evening, keep the doors open, let the fresh air comes. And then you will see that if you are expecting that property X amount, you will get X plus plus. Okay, so which is a very important, you have to spend, you have to appoint some person who will go and do the cleaning purpose and all those things. If you do the whitewash, hardly you require a couple of 100 rupees, that's all. Okay, which you are following now, because now we are putting some distemper, some paint, which cost factor comes up 20,000, 30,000. People say, okay, if I do the painting, it will cost 30,000. Where I will spend this money? It is not practical. I gave the last time my case study of the IS officer. The IS officer, he was reading so many books and correcting his house. So suddenly, some person complained to him. He's a young IS officer that he is taking money and lunch, etc. And because of bribe he is taking, in his account there is a 17,000 rupees is there. Then immediately case come and he was suspended, and in his bank account everything was seized off. Then somehow he called me. I said, from how you are managing? I am taking the money from my parent. What your parent? They are retired. Both are IAS officer. They're getting the pension. Only let me send your house plan. He has sent, and I said, after making zoning, I asked him, you just show on video, which I found in the north he has put all the blue, in the east he has put the red, and the northeast he has put all the different colors, which was creating a problem to him. Now I asked him, just do one thing, just paint the entire house ivory or off-white color and let me know. Sir, I don't have money. Don't worry, just get one brush and paint and just do yourself. Okay, he did. So yesterday I got a call from him. Sir, I am feeling some better now. Okay, inquiry is going to stop, and mostly the things will be positive to me. Because who is responsible for that? House was not responsible. Okay, you are responsible. You have put that curtain. You have kept that rack. Okay, so now we'll see. I think we'll go for the next chart. This is a live case study. This case I got on the 4th of August. That's the answer problem is there. I said, okay, you get the to the scale plan and send the plan to me. Okay, this is the same plan. Just I'm getting yeah, it's the same plan. Okay, get the plan and send the plan to me. So they have sent the plan to me, and I analysis. I was busy on 4th and 5th. I analysis 5th night, and 6th I gave the feedback with this different 16 divisions, and I found that there are some major problems was there, which I circle all the problem. And in this is the east, this is the west, this is the south, this is the north. Okay, and when this is the east, okay, so this comes to your southeast, and this comes to the northeast, this comes to the northwest, and this comes to the southwest. Now, according to our so-called Vastu, what we say, where north and east wall meets, that is northeast, but it is not come here. Okay, that particular sector has gone to the north of the northeast. Where the northeast has come this portion, where the main door is there. Oh, main door in Devamula, it is very good house, but why he is facing problem? Okay, so this way we have made. So circle whatever we have made is as in this sector, the toilet has come and the main door has come, which is a very good. But again, we do from the northeast to southeast 8 divisions. After 16 division, we do the 32 divisions. And there we see what is the position of the main door. Where the main door was the worst position, where the losses will happen, money losses, all those things. Whatever business you start, it will not work. Your mind will not work. You will go in the wrong. So what I did here, I asked to put the on the threshold of the door, put the blue paint, or you can put the blue tape also, about 3 inches tape, or we can cut parallel to this and put the strip also, MS strip. So this will see the next how, which, where we are pouring. But these things I did, and what result we got, we'll see. Okay, I here in the south north, there was some red cupboard was kept. Okay, north is again what is the zone? Water zone. Red is the fire. So fire is getting weak. Fire is the money. Okay, and north is also got weak. So what I did, just put this blue paint to the cupboards. Then again the south there was a bedroom. In this bedroom there was a all the color which was there. I think pink or red color was there. Just I think painting is very difficult. There was a bed was there. On this bed I asked to put no, I think blue paint was there. In the bedroom there was a blue paint. I asked to put the pink bed sheet, and there was a window, and window I asked to put the curtain of the pink. They put it. Third, which I did it, in the southwest there was a toilet. The southwest toilet creates a lot of problem in the relationship and the property. It also creates the problem related with the your court cases, etc. Okay, southwest toilet was come. So I asked to put here the yellow strip all the four side. Okay, just go to any the vehicle number plate, they put stenciling work, you get it and put it. They put it there, the yellow strip. And now think here, I asked, this is a which is a come in the north of the northwest, which is a sex and attraction zone. Particular strip of the here also I asked to put the blue strip or paint all four side. Okay, and there was a, in front of the main door. I told you that there is a some problem happen if the TV tower, communication tower, or some anti activities will be there outside the main door. There was some huge telecommunication tower was there. So I asked, this was exposed here. So I asked, put a curtain here on this window so that it will not expose. Then on 6th or 7th, they got some positive result. Some person came, okay, I will support you. Okay, this thing was very good. Then again, yesterday, there was some visit was there, but it couldn't materialize. It couldn't materialize. Then he said, why it is not materialized? I am getting result in 48 hours. Something may be wrong. Then what I found, here they put the pink or red curtain something, but this was the addition to that, the south of the southwest, it was a disposal zone, and there was a mirror. In that mirror, the red curtain was reflecting. See, the reflection also make lot of sense. The reflection also a lot of sense. The red curtain was reflecting. Then I said, you put paper or some yellow cover or something, block that. But Vastu is not very easy. You have to see each and everything, because now everything is very easy. We can see on the video camera. Earlier we supposed to visit there and go and do. Now online we can do digital things, and which is very practical. So after balancing these zones which we have made the 16 divisions, based on that, each zone, how many square feet area we work out. Okay. And there is some minimum and maximum balance, and it should not be less than minimum. It should not go above the maximum. Sometimes to exhaust, we have to exhaust. Sometimes we have to increase. So what we are doing, this we'll see in our next bar chart. After getting the plan, we do the 32 divisions, 16 divisions, and then we check what is the placement, what is the activities, and those things we get balanced. So next chart we will see, this is the bar chart. Okay, each divisions we have made the area we are written, and if you see this red line which is there, this is the minimum and this is the maximum. Whatever is, and this is the blue is the balance. Whatever coming between two red, that is the balance. So now you see how many are more affected. More than maximum is our north, which is our career and opportunity. North of the northeast, which is the health. Again, saying is the south, name and fame, which is got affected. Southwest, which is the disposal zone. Your stomach will get upside. All okay. Then fourth is the north of the northwest, which is the sex and attraction. This is the balance zone. Okay. Now, some of the zones are getting the negative effects. That is the less than the minimum. That is the east of the northeast. Okay. This is a recreation zone. East, there is a social association, getting the referral from the other people. East of the southeast, which is your creativity zone. Southeast is the again liquid and the money and the cash. Okay, which is also got affected. Then west of the southwest, which is our saving. Okay, saving is getting affected. West is again profit. You are expecting 40%, 50% margin. You are not getting that also. West of the detoxification. Again, this is a support. So overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 zones are affected. Which is the balance? Only 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. 4 zones are balanced. So nothing to worry. We don't, first, the moment I saw the case study, I told that you change the house. Before taking the house, I have not seen any floor plan, nothing. Just you change the house. Before changing the house, send me the floor plan, and then you, no sir, we have taken this property on lease. We can't change. And that person is checking, you can continue another 10 years. I don't have money to pay you. Well, you rent out that house to somebody. If you want to rent out that, by that much house you want to take, how much it will cost? 20,000, 30,000. You take the same amount, this year rent out, and there's your solution. But here, without correcting the existing house, without correcting this house, if you go for the next house, this will, whatever the placements are there, it is already programmed your subconscious mind. This programming automatic, that vibration will carry forward to the new house. The correction is very important. Then only you should shift to the new house. Yeah, this bar chart, as the north zone, it affects the career and opportunity. The person was not getting any opportunity of career. So what was the cause here in this case study? Because here the red cupboards were kept, which was affected. But somehow in that area, if the water, who exhausts the water, wood exhaust weakens the water. Water's child is the wood. So already slightly green color paint was there, which was saved. It was not so much problem. North of the northeast, okay. But there was a red color also were there, which was creating a problem that we have removed. Then north of the northeast, again the health zone got affected. Most of the house I found it entire thing was painted blue, somewhere pink, somewhere different colors they are used in the furniture and all those things, sofa cover, with which we have taken care of those things. This was the health zone was affected. Northeast, somehow it was a balance, but the door it was not there. Northeast, your mind will not work. The thought process will not work. In northeast, you sometime in this zone is some anti-activity, anti-element. Beside that, if you put a nail, you put the inverter, you put a switchboard, that also create a problem. So you have to be very careful. First, we should know which is the zone. Okay.
Northeast, we can put the book rack also.
Pardon?
Northwest.
Yeah, tell me.
Northwest, can we put the book rack? Contains all books.
No, the book is connected with is a very good question. Book is connected with the knowledge and the skill.
Yeah.
So that can come in the west of the southwest or in the southwest.
Southwest.
Northwest, you can keep whomever you expect the support. Those things you can keep in the northwest. This is a support zone. Northwest is not. Whatever you are telling this northwest, these two walls are zoning. No, this is not northwest. Northwest has come this with the angular divisor.
Okay.
Okay. Northeast is not this. Northeast has come shifted here. Southeast is not this. Southeast is shifted here. This is the south of the southeast. Okay. Each and we discuss the detail. Why I am taking the live case study? You will remember. If I go on talking, you will not remember. Okay. This zone, there was full blue color was the red color cupboard was there, which was creating problem. This zone, all the blue paint was there, which was creating problem. These are the 2000 rupees currencies. All rest of the things are there. That is also important. That is 500 and 200. First, we take care of 2000 rupees currency, which then we can take the 500. When whatever we are getting, that is the bonus. Yeah. So these zones we balance. How we balance? Okay. To balance the knot, what I do, who take the energy from the mother? Child take. So I bring the child in this zone. Who is the child of the wood? Water? Wood is the child. So I put some green color. Okay, that will get balance. First, I have to remove the cause. Red color I removed from there. Parent color is a blue. I put the blue there. Now, north of the northeast also exhaust entry. There also green color will put. And you will see that here anti-element, anti-activities, anti-color will not come. Anti-color means who destructs the water? Earth destructs. So no yellow color will come. Okay, no red color will come. When you are hitting somebody, you also getting injured. Okay, so that color should be accurate. So child should also will be too much color of the green should also not come here. But it is more to exhaust that we are providing the green color. This is also the same way. Now this color is a balance. Okay, this is very good. Again, if you see east of the northeast, which is the again so creation entertainment zone. Okay, this zone. So there is no any entertainment. Okay. East is social association. To increase this, what we do, we provide the parent zone color here, that is the blue. Again, East is also weak, no social association, no contact, no referral. So this is also we increase providing the blue, but somehow entire house, the color was the blue color was there, but some of the zone, knowingly, unknowingly, that was getting balanced. Again, east of the southeast, that's why I think there also the blue color, which we'll see in the chart, how it is this side. Southeast, again, it is a less. So south is the fire zone. Who supports the fire would support the fire. So I provide a green color. And if you're not providing the green color, so we can provide some rectangular interior designing. In interior designing also, how it comes to balancing this thing, we can go there. Sometimes the new house is there. What we do, we are to put the metal strips in the various sectors, or on the skirting we ask to put the some tape to balancing. Don't need to change the entire thing. This tape you get it for hardly about 100 200 rupees. On Amazon you can order, or you can go from Seeker Stop, you can buy that. Okay, so this generally, again, the southwest is balanced, west of the southwest is the saving to increase the, who's the mother of this thing? Earth is the mother, southwest. So we put here the yellow color, we balance that thing, and we see the no anti activities here. You can keep your saving here, your bank checkbook here, you can keep here some books, whatever knowledge is there. These two areas are very important. You can keep a study table. I found that some child was not doing in studies. So I found the table. The last case study which I gave, that lady's table was kept in the south of the southwest. Just I shifted from here to here, she got result in 24 hours. Okay. Again, west is the, again your profit. West of the northwest, detoxification. Your body toxin should go out. If toxin will not go out, that will create the problem in your body also. Northwest is a support. For anything, you will, because to win a match, the entire team has to work. Then only we can win the match. So here, you alone, you can't do anything. So you require, for each and everything, you require the support from your team members, from outsiders. So this thing. So somebody is selling. Somebody told me, sir, I am not getting my money. Lot of problems happening. Why you are not getting? Because of litigation, all those things. Okay, money. Okay, which zone? Oh, southeast zone. Okay, there is some problem. Oh, litigation happening. Okay, why it is happening? Oh, southwest in that particular house. Okay, there was a southwest some problem. I told southwest the toilet has come. Yes, sir. How you know? This is miracle. No, this is a science. So based on that, now we will see the actual how is the thing. This is the east zone. Okay, this zone, east zone, it reduce. Okay, the total, it is less than the balance you have seen in the chart. Okay, so already the blue paint is there. Okay, we just take care. Okay, and the door, we provide the virtual door. That door I block. I asked to open a virtual door from here. I asked at the floor level at this sector, puncture the wall. If the wall thickness is 8 inches, take a 10-inch aluminum rod, solid aluminum rod, pass from here to there outside and seal it. It should touch the flooring. 1 inch should be out and 1 inch should be inside and 1 inch should be outside. Okay. Exact method, we provide the L-shaped rod, and that rod we connect with the aluminum wire, we do the grounding on the, but this is the rented house, that can be done. That will take care of 100%, and this can take place about 70 to 80%. That is more than sufficient today to earn. As I block the main entry, and after blocking main entry, some opportunities come, I said that is correct. Okay, if I puncture here, removing it is a costly. Putting a sticker on door, it is very good, very easy. We can remove also sticker, we are not getting result, but that should give result in 24 hours. So we have provided here the virtual door. Virtual door, even the gate is not good. We put the virtual gate, virtual door. If some alternate doors are there, balcony door, we mark it as a virtual door. If sometimes which is not practical to take care, just in that color, you make a swastik also. That also enhance the energy. It is not necessary. Swastik sticker also you put it. It can enhance the energy, but you have to see whether that zone is balanced, what element, what color, all those things has to be taken care. Now this is the next zone, east of the northwest. This zone also, I think it was a weak, because of which there was a health problem, etc. was there. And as luckily in this zone, the blue color has come, which is very good. But this cover which is there, I think it's the red, which is creating a problem. On that, I asked to put it some blue color curtain or something, but this is taking care of that, nothing to worry. And here we have to avoid any of the red color or the yellow color, brown color, which should be avoided. That start giving the energy. Next color we will see the east of the southeast, which is our creativity. Again, this is here, the red has come. This zone also slightly weaken this zone. Okay, to balance, already this zone has taken care with the blue color, which is the good. That is called the heaven luck. Okay, again the northeast. The door, if you see it is the northeast. According to our Vastu person will say this the door is very good, but the zone is a weaken. Okay, the total area, square feet is less. Okay, but somehow in this zone, if you see the ivory color has come. So I asked you either on the skirting, this zone skirting, we can provide the yellow strip. Okay, you have to ensure that no any anti-activities, no any fuse bulb, no any equipment which is not working should not be kept. Then this zone comes in the north of the northeast, which is about the again health and immunity. This is the water zone. Somehow the blue color is there, it is good, but this pink color and the green color are creating a problem. Okay, this color is creating problem, and there all the junk items have come, which is creating the further problem. So what we have to do in this zone, we have to keep clean. We can keep the medicine. Okay, some of the container kept here, I don't know whether it is a chemical or something which is creating this. Practically when you see, you will remember, and then we will take detail, because this is area we are using as a storeroom, which is the creating problem related health. If somebody called me, oh, I am having health problem, I am not getting. If this house is for the doctor's house, doctor will not do well. Okay. If this zone is weak, I will not select the zone house for the doctor. Okay. If already doctor is staying in that, okay, then I will do some correction. This zone, I will avoid the toilet also. In previous zone also, the toilet for all the zones can be corrected. Okay. But in the northeast zone, toilet is not correct. It is not practical to correct. As far as possible, we ask to remove the toilet or block the toilet. Use the toilet picture also kept. You are not used the commode you are removed and kept here. Only the commode or picture, that also create the problem. This is the health and immunity zone. Now is the sex and attraction zone. Here also being this is the water zone. This pink color, etc. As this it affects. Okay, yellow color it affects. Okay, this small thing. Okay, also affect. Somebody called me from Chandigarh. Sir, I am having a lot of problem. Only you send the photograph of your house in the north zone. Opportunity I am not getting. He said, sir, I have put the blue paint, blue brush, everything I had done. They just send it. He was put his bedroom was there, blue bedsheet was there, everything was there. Then I told him, okay, you just remove everything from that your under the cot, the storage. And I found there was some red thing, which was that red thing was removed. It will be found that the things was okay. Some case can come from the US. That sir, I am having so and so problem. I said in the south you have put some blue color. Nothing, sir, nothing. Well, no, just you get it. Just send the photo. Sir, I'm in the office. I can't do that. I'll go morning and I'll check it. But he was in the night shift. So morning I'll go and check it. So when he sent the picture, that I found that his wife, she has put the blue bed sheet. Without checking the plant, this thing, there is a system we call the dowser. The crystal dowser is there. The moment when I'm asking, you are telling the question, I can ask the question, what is there? South, there is some distinct, it will give me a signal. But you should know how to use the dowser. Okay. And how to ground yourself, how to see. So that we can find out what is the problem. So what we have to do here, the correction, this pink color should be removed, yellow color should be removed, this pink should be removed, this toilet block, it should be blocked, with the blue paint, or border here, just we do the groove and put the aluminum strip or MS strip. Aluminum strip will be better. Okay, the problem will get solved. To put the sticker, how much it will cost? Hardly 50 rupees or 100 rupees. The problem can. This will affect the marriage, conceiving related problem, bedroom relationship, all problems this will generate. Okay. Again, in this, the other toilet, the pipe is passing from here. This will also create a problem. So while selecting the house, if we can take care of that, okay. So according or so-called Vastu person will see that he said that this is northwest because north and west wall is meeting, but this is not a northwest. This is a north and northwest based on the to the scale plan. Okay. Again, this is the north. Okay. See the what is the color? Blue is color is good. Okay. North is making more strong. Blue has made more strengthened. Again, this is the red and pink that was created problem. Again, the mirror has come, which is extended. It's become more strong. Again, this has become. So what is the this thing? Who weakens the water? Wood. So the whatever the base part is there, skirting, on the skirting, I asked to put the sticker of the green. Okay. And this I have not noticed that time. I asked to put cover this thing with the green cover. The mirror. Mirror is extended. That we have seen north. Yeah. This is a south zone where the entire thing was it is a blue color. Okay. Just I asked to put in the zone the pink this thing bedsheet, and this is also pink. And later on, this color, the south zone extended. So we had to reduce. So I asked to paint this area, okay, and whitewash with the yellow color. Who weakens the fire? Fire should not be too high. Fire is for money. It is for your power and your name and fame we are not getting. Next zone comes is the south of the southeast. Okay, this is the power and confidence. This is also fire zone. Here the kitchen has come. This is again the fire zone. The kitchen, the black color, I told you, it is the water. When the water will come in the fire zone, this will not give you confidence and the power. Okay, when there is no any warmness in the body, all the disease you will get it. Okay, so it is not practical. If suppose I would have designed this house, I would have asked here the stone which you are providing based on the element balancing, we provide the color. Either we provide here a yellow color, or we sometimes provide the green color, or we sometimes provide the pink color. But it is not practical to do. Under this, I asked to provide a yellow, the hooding, the advertising board comes, na, that just you slide it inside, that is more than sufficient. Or the cupboard inside, we asked to make the base, we put the yellow or pink or red, the paper, which also gives the same result. Again, this is the south of the southwest. I told that mirror, it was reflecting here. The south, we have put the curtain was reflecting in the south of the southwest. And because it couldn't able to, and here there was the study table, which was creating a problem. Okay. The blue color also is the anti-act color. Okay. This mirror is also extended this area more. So I asked to, after seeing this thing, see here also the something reflection is happening. Okay, this reflection creates the problem. I put the curtain, yellow curtain, no any document. All the important document was kept here in the south. This is called the disposal zone. Okay, where the toilet can come. And this has become more strong in the bar chart. And here, whatever documents were keeping, that was not moving. So this document, I asked to shift it to the north zone or if it is related with the property, etc., can be shifted in the, as you are asking, west of the southwest zone or southwest zone also can be shifted. If suppose some reason it is not practical us to shift certain activities, we can provide the photograph also there. That will also work fantastic. This toilet, I already discussed about the southwest toilet, which was creating problem where we have put the yellow stickers. And this is the west of the some zone. I can't make out this thing. Yeah, this is the west of the northwest and the northwest. Okay. Again, over the Lakshmi photo, we have put it here. Under that, the beam has come, which is creating a problem. West of the northwest is the negative zone, one of the detoxification of the body. And this is creating, here we provide toilet block. This should be removed and put it in the southeast. This photo is with the golden frame in the southeast is very good, can be shifted to the south. In this area, we should avoid the red color, which is very harmful. Same thing over the west of the southwest is the saving zone, but this zone was reduced, so it has to be increased and balanced. So this is we have seen the overall. Yeah. Any question before I go next this thing?
So this is a good idea.
Here also the torna which provided, that is also creating that problem. The torna should be replaced. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, sir. Yeah.
So actually, I'll take my particular case.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm sitting in front of this desktop
Yeah.
facing east,
Yeah.
exactly 90-degree east.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
it? I'm sitting in front of this sun.
Yeah.
Is it good actually? Actually,
See, facing is not important. The main important is the which sector you are sitting. Suppose you are sitting in this area, okay, facing to the east, okay. But in this, there are different zoning is there. Which zoning? Suppose if you are sitting in that particular, that person's table, the where she has kept this thing table, that was located in the southwest, south of the southwest. No, yeah, south of the southwest, and facing over the east. That was creating a problem. So you have to see that facing is not important. The important is the zoning. Which zone you are sitting? Which zone you have kept your books? Which zone you have kept your charger? Which zone you have kept your inverter? All those things are important. Okay. Facing again based on your date of birth, we work out which facing is good, which direction is good for you, 80% what is good, 90% which is color is good for you based on your date of birth. That is a second calculation. Okay. First, if you are taking care of 2000 rupees currency, most of the things will be taken care. Whatever you are selling, that particular zone is the east or southeast, that is not the east. First, we have to do the angular division. What I do, I go to some shop whenever I am having a free time. I always carry the division measurement is there with the laser beam. Just we put the beam and we can measure the length. Just I take the length and width of the shop immediately while working, and just on my mobile I check the direction. I check which sector the door has come. Why this shop is not doing well? Why that shop is doing well? So somebody was the correct entry. It was kept some things, and he was using the wrong entry. I told him, sir, do one thing. That was fruit merchant. I said, you do this thing. You are not doing well, I think. Yes, sir. How you know? Just you block this entry and open that entry. You have started doing very well. So whenever I have to go to his shop, I buy some fruit. You are not taking the money. I said, no. If you will not take money, I will not come to you. No, no, sir. You have increased my business. That is a secondary. Okay. Whatever you have to charge, you take your cost price, but you take it. Yes, sir. So I have to give some money. Just blindly he used to take. I have to give 500 rupees. He used to return me 400 rupees. but actual cost was more. So this analysis is also very important to do. And based on that, you have to do the, don't now, most of the doctors, what they are doing, for any problem, they give the steroid. Once your body is used to be steroid, then if you give the other treatment, whatever, it will not work out. Your body will become. So you have to, the plan to the scale is very important. The direction also is very important. When you are using the mobile for the direction, what you have to do, first you have to download 3D Compass. Just rotate the mobile like a figure of 8. Figure of 8 you rotate, then you rotate around this thing this way. Then some tile joints are there. With align with hold it. Don't keep it on the ground because there is a metal. While using that, ensure that nearby there should not be metal, no any laptop, no any speaker. If speaker will be there, then the reading will go different. No any high voltage cable and hold it parallel, just keep on perpendicular from the top, whether this line is a parallel or not to the tile joint, and just take a reading 2 to 3 places, then that will help 100%. Then again with the dowser I check. With my dowser, whatever the degree it is shown, whether it is right or wrong. He has shown here 97 degree. Whether it is a 97 degree? No. Is it a 92 degree? Yes. So this minor correction we do. And based on that, we make the correction. Yeah. Any other question? Whatever we have seen?
Yeah, it's no.
Okay. Yesterday I got a case, evening 6 o'clock. I was very much tired. I went somewhere out and came. I was very much tired. 5:30 I reached home. Got a call that just we married a couple of months back, and my wife is having a lot of problems. She is fighting, and she want to divorce me. They just wait. I'm coming to your house. Do you have the plan? He said, yes, I am having plan. I went to the house. I immediately did the 16 divisions and all those things. I found the chart, the workout, the astrological chart also. In the astrological chart, I found this lady's dasha. It was the Shukra, Mercury dasha, and Antar dasha of the Shukra was going on. And this person's also Guru dasha was there, and Antar dasha of the Shukra was there. See how astrology is tapping with this thing. Okay. The Guru dasha was there. So in his, Shukra dasha, along with the Mercury, the Shukra Antar dasha, in the southeast there was a toilet. What we can do? I said, this toilet light which is there, just you remove this, put it there, a pink color LED lamp, and all 4 sides you put the sticker, and her Shukra was sitting in the good position. Just put immediately, I ask you come to my house, I'll give you a diamond, just put it on the, with the tape on the wall. Okay. Bed was kept in the north sector. North was very weak sector, and there was a mirror. It was on the west of the it was in the mirror was in the north of the northwest, which was the sex and attraction, and that zone was getting increased, which was already more. It was getting further more. So I shifted the bed in the particular zone. I asked to put the blue bedsheet on that and balance that thing. In the north sector, I was reduced. A mirror I shifted and extended that. Again, second part I found in the northwest sector. Northwest sector, there was a toilet. Okay, they were not getting any support. She was lost after marriage. She left the job also. She was trying to get some other job. She was not getting the job. In that sector, particular that zone was increased. I put there the pearl. Okay, and both the husband and wife chart, the moon was getting afflicted because the Rahu. In the wife chart, moon was sitting with the Rahu. Husband chart, moon was affected by the Rahu. So because which is the northwest. In the northwest also, based on your moral of the story, based on your astrological chart, if particular these planets are weak, that zone there will be a problem. If somebody is having the red coral, definitely in his house south is problem. Somebody is using the green emerald, definitely that house there is a problem in the north zone. If based on the astrological chart the planet are sitting good, that planet gem, we asked to put it, drill the hole in the wall and put it. So that can also solve the problem. And again, door was kept in the wrong position. I asked to put the uh, stud of the door, particular color of the threshold, and balcony door was very good. I asked to keep the balcony door open and there mark the swastik. This much changes I did and clean the house. Immediately in my presence only, I shifted the bed. I found under the bed that much dust was there. Okay, then I recommended you buy one vacuum cleaner, just clean the house, and just that now one new things are come for the swapping the house, the machine which rotate, hardly costing 600, 700. Put some cleaning agent and just clean the entire house every day. Okay, morning. Each and every zone is important for you. Even if you are doing the cleaning part, remove the all the unwanted things. Okay. If some wall, suppose the fungus has come in the southeast because of water leakage, that will affect your money. Some fungus is there in the southwest, that will create you the litigation and all those things. Some fungus has come in the west sector, there's some leakage. Okay, that will create. All these we have to see practically. Your commode is the Rahu. The outlet which is there of commode, this is a Ketu. Okay, even there is a leakage will be there, that will create a problem. Okay, that house you have seen the drain pipe was passing in the west of the northwest. That is the Ketu. And the chart also the Ketu is weak, and that will create a problem here also. Okay. We'll continue another 5 minutes. Question answer and we'll close it.
Any questions they can ask?
Anybody has any question? How to go back now to this? Stop sharing.
So today we have learned a lot of things about the east, west, and northwest, all these things.
We will see this thing after the case study. We will see the each and every zone, how it affects, what are the things are there. But don't do only by seeing change some colors, etc. But just you have to try. Okay, what we do before taking a final this thing, just we change the curtain, just we put some sticker. If you find we are getting a result, to analyze it takes about 10 to 15 days. Sometimes it takes a month. Okay, new house it is very easy. But first we put some on trial basis. If that works, then we go next step. If one thing is shooting, the immediately next thing is shooting.
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a question. As a real estate agent or a broker,
Yeah.
whenever we see the house, what is the minimum that we need to see direction or that way, so that we also get benefit, one who purchased also get the benefit?
Yeah, as I told you in the beginning, my last class, first the surrounding is very important. Okay. Number two, even the surrounding in front of the house, there's some tower is there, some high voltage cable is there. Whoever will come, that he will not get the business. He will not accept the flat. He will be uncomfortable. Second part, I told you, just go in the house, just take this mudra and just inhale, exhale. I'll do the pranayama 5 to 6 times. Okay. Just stand there facing to the east. How is your feeling? And just go all around the house. Again, come and stand in the facing to the east. How is your feeling? Okay. Go to the door. Just do this thing and just see what is your feeling. Okay. This is only practical if the person like Chandrasekhar, whose all the chakras are balanced. If the chakras are balanced, the things will be very good. First, only if you are not feeling comfortable, there are two things. One is there is a more negative energy, that house has to be clean. Some houses, if you can go, all the rubbish things are paint is damaged, everything. Okay, that is also, but door might be good. There's some leakage or fungus. Because of that also it is creating a problem. But overall, immediately if your all chakras are balanced, you know how to do the grounding to yourself, to the earth before doing this, then immediately it gives you the signal. That is only the thumb rule. Or what you have to see, whether the windows are there, stand in the center of the house, just take your mobile compass and see that the door is east. Now 0 degree is the north, 90 degree is the What is that? If 0 is the north, 90 in the mobile compass, 90 is the east, 180 is the south, 270 is the west. So the door position, okay, either 0 minus 20 or 90 minus 20 or 270 minus 20 or 360 minus 20. If it is there, it is a better door. Okay, but you don't know what is the center point. That is the only on trial and error. If the person he is a very thorough, he can count the tiles in the lengthwise and widthwise, how many tiles are there, he can take the center place. But don't do anything on trial and error. For selection of the property, you can go. If the door has come between southwest and south, you reject that house. If the door has come between west and the northwest, reject that house. If the door has come between east and southeast, you reject that house. Don't go for that. You suppose as a real estate agent, you are recommended some house to XYZ and the door has come in the south or the southwest. That will create a lot of problem to him and your karma will get spoiled. Okay, this is the thumb rule which you have to see. Okay, at any cost, the toilet should not come between north and the northeast. All the toilet, there is a correction is there, except north and northeast. Between north and northeast toilet come, that has to be removed. There is no any this thing, correction. Okay.
Okay.
Your question answered?
No.
In the north of northwest toilet, whatever you have shown in that thing,
yeah,
you have to put blue strip or yellow strip.
Yeah, depend on that area. If it is a more powerful, okay, it is a more powerful, you have to exhaust. If it is a balance, it is there, okay, that has to be given in the own color. Okay, when it is we have to see the color. Mostly blue strip at this existing situation, blue strip is good. But main problem was created there. Three things was there. As the Ketu has come and Rahu has come, both has come there. Toilet is the Rahu and the drain pipe what was passing, it was the Ketu. Again, there is a fire also has come, red color this thing. Okay, that has to be removed. Okay, some of the zone, even I found that the north zone, which I was not noticed while seeing, but now when I am looking the presentation, I saw there was some mirror. North is extended, and that mirror also creating problem. Okay, so that suppose the problem opportunity is not coming, but that on mirror, as we can put a green curtain, then it can be balanced, and that should not be reflect in the other zone. The reflection also makes a lot of sense. Okay, any other question?
I think better we have a course on Vastu.
Yeah, now we are very soon. I am going to start. This is I am not very comfortable on the PowerPoint presentation. This is for my training also.
No, because whatever you give the examples. No, it goes in our mind, but it come immediately.
Nothing. What I am doing now, this whatever the presentation I made, all the slides, etc. I reach home at about 9 o'clock. From 9 to 10 o'clock, just on trial and error I made. But somehow I have this learning. Another couple of days, it will be easy for me to do. Okay, how to load it and all those things I have seen. Okay, when it will be live. Okay, Vastu is very easy. Okay, it is very easy, but you should know how to use it. Okay, don't do anything on trial and error.
So step by step we can learn, no?
Yeah. I will go under Google. Then from there we'll take the 2-bedroom hall kitchen, 3-bedroom hall kitchen, 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Saying this, how good that house, by seeing we can make out. Okay, without doing angular division. Okay, we can make out. How we'll do all those things. We'll study. We'll start from the ABCD. Then we'll write the sentence. Then we'll use the grammar and everything. Okay. This is we can conduct 3-month course, 6-month course, 2-month course, depending how is your grasping. So here there are a lot of things are practical. Even if you don't have the AutoCAD person, how you will make the plan to the scale. I went to a bank. The bank manager was facing so many problems. Just to measure, the bank was working. You know what to do now. My northeast is very powerful. My creativity is very good. Just I went in the basement. I took the length and width, and I set the immediately center point. And where the bank manager is sitting, I saw the typical floor plan was there on the ground floor also, and there was that zone was extended. Okay, just he was having some his files, etc. At that bottom, I asked, okay, you are sitting in very good zone, but at the bottom, what you can put, you put the blue paper. Okay, the things now business improved. He was worried whether I am going to continue this job or they will remove me. His performance not good. Okay, but that house is responsible 50%. Your office is responsible 50%. Both should go together. Your house is vehicle. You are a driver. Okay, if vehicle is also good, driver is also good, and road is also good, you will reach to your destination in no time. And today, Google Map is there, Google this thing is there, you can put it, and GPS is there, you can reach to your destination within no time. But you should know about sometimes the Google also give you the, instead of taking left turn, GPS give the right turn. So you should use your common sense also there. And based on that, you have to do. Okay, we will meet the next this thing week, and there we are going to talk about the health, how our health affect. Okay, to avoid the health problem, what you will do. Okay, and there are certain marmarstan in the house which get affected. Even if you put a nail, you keep a table. Okay, how you will solve? Somebody is having a shoulder pain. Okay, how you will solve their shoulder pain without going to the doctor? Okay, those things, some of the case study we'll see, and actual how you can use it. Okay, for your small thing, you don't have to go to the doctor. Today, lungs related problem. Okay, how you can take care. Okay, because how you can avoid the corona. Okay, our body is dependent on vata, pitta, kapha. Okay, how these three things should balance in the body. When it get imbalanced, when is your right knee there is a problem, what will be the problem? When is the left knee there is a problem, what will be the problem? Okay, as the toilet in this particular house, if you see, it has come in the northwest. Definitely the person who is staying in this house, their left knee there will be some problem. 99% there is a left knee, there will be some problem will be there. But without removing the toilet, how the problem can be solved? Even sometimes you put a nail on the wall, that create a problem. There is a calculation in the plan. When we are constructing the house, there is a calculation where the column will go. The column will go in the wrong place. Okay, the structure will not get completed. Even the structure completed, a flat can't be disposed of. Okay, so many cases are there, which the practical, initially from selection of the land, whether the land is litigation or not, by seeing the paper only we can make out whether the land is good or bad, without visiting the site, only by seeing the paper. Only by seeing the sample of the soil we can make out. It is a very, very advanced theory, which we will learn in advance. Okay, thank you. We'll meet next week where we'll discuss with about the health related and some of the case study which related with the health, which will be very easy. Okay. Any comments on my presentation out of 10? How much you will give so I can improve myself? Give the reality, give the fact.
A lot of learning was there actually today.
Yeah.
We could not able to vibrate along with you. That's all.
Yeah, no, we will go. No. This is, we are only taking the case studies.
Yes.
Okay. Slowly, when the case study comes, now you'll see, oh, that house, there was a northwest, there was a problem because that she was not getting banking support. Oh, southwest, there was a toilet problem because that person was having the litigation, etc. Oh, that house, there was a problem in the southeast. Oh, that because of that, there was problem with the finance. There is a problem in the west of the northwest. Oh, there is a divorce thing was happening. So that immediately will know.
Yes.
Okay, in one house, there are 4 persons are staying. Okay, 2 sons, father, mother, and daughter. All are working. Okay, only father is not doing well. All 4 are doing very well. Why? Because that father dasha was going on Chandra dasha, and in that northwest the toilet has come. Antar dasha of the Shukra was going on, and in that also toilet has come. Or some anti-activity. Rest of the dashas, whatever was going on in that sector, there was a good thing. So what we had to do? you have to see the chart. If the planet are placed properly, then we concern to that gems can be provided in that area and can be balanced. Or best thing, just put a LED lamp that can be taken care of. LED lamp costs hardly 50 rupees and you can see the result in a no time. Don't get panic. Oh, this thing happened. What will happen? No, that was your punishment given by Doctor. People say Dr. Chavan is a miracle man. He does the miracle. No, I don't do miracle. I'm a hero. Okay, I'm only a postman. You appear for the interview. You have written the test. I'm getting only your appointment letter. Okay, which is very important. Your punishment got over. God has sent me to you. That's all. You have to have faith on God. Once you have the faith on God, God will do the miracle. Okay, just because so many days you are doing the puja, when a mother is punishing a child, mother also get pain from inside. God is also feeling bad because you are suffering. But until unless He will not punish you, you will not learn the lesson. You have to learn the lesson. Some people, Saturn Dasha is happening. What he traveling by auto or traveling by cab or buying some vegetable, they do the bargaining. Don't do bargaining. If he is asking 10 rupees, give him 15 rupees. Saturn will help to needy people.
True.
Okay, you will go in the hotel, okay, 5-star hotel. You spend there thousands of rupees, and for this 100 rupees or 50 rupees, you are bargaining. Okay, that you should not do. Okay, indirectly, okay, you have to help those people needy. Needy people helping means what? He is not handicapped. He is struggling. A healthy person, he is begging. Okay, you ask him, no, you should not beg. I'll give some job to you. Go and do it. Okay, but needy people means he is also struggling and not getting the things. Sometimes I go to some houses, I saw there's a problem, the marriage problem is there, these zones are affected. If any house, there's a marriage problem, the southeast and the southwest is affected. If southeast is get affected, okay, automatically opposite zone, northwest also get affected. If northwest will get affected, the southwest will get affected, opposite to that zone is the northeast, that also is get affected. Okay, this is a universal law. Okay, when you are hitting somebody, you are also getting injury, either by BP or something. That person's house, there was a problem in the northeast. Because of that, he's getting BP, he's getting irritated. So because of you are reacting on that, you are also getting your BP is increasing. Okay, that person is a good person. But last night, his wife kept there some red bag. There was a problem. So far it was not. So many causes are there. When a chain of 100-meter collapse, in the chain 100 loops are weak, but chain collapse from the weakest loop. So your duty as a Vastu consultant, as a real estate agent, you have to find out which is the weakest loop. When you see cases again and again and again, I am doing this thing last 45 years. Okay, again I kept my target to do another 45 years. Okay, so the more still my knowledge, whatever I am having, it is only 40%, 60% knowledge I had to gain it, which I am getting day by day, I increasing. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet next week where we see about the case studies.
I want Mr. Anil Dua to say something. He's a newcomer, so I want him to say something.
Yes,
so
Anil,
very good
go.
morning. Very good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning. Now I've seen you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was a wonderful session, though it was the first time that I have been delving into some Vastu details. But everything that Dr. Chauhan told us, I think it was all wonderful. But I think we need to get some more detailing into it, something like the zones that he discussed. Sir, Dr. Chauhan, can I request you if you can share that particular chart so that we can have some detailed study on that? How you have worked out on those 16 zones. So accordingly, we can also plan
Yeah,
out.
now what I am doing now, okay, if I go on only showing the things and going talking, okay, so you will forget. When I had taken now case study and then I go in detail, then you will know. When I am explaining that in detail about the zoning, okay, I say, oh, that house, there was a northwest, there was a problem. This is the seat, this is the zone. Oh, southeast, there was a problem. This is the problem. Somebody said, I am not getting from the bank loan. Northwest, there is a problem. So those things, okay, the PEC system in your head, these things are there. So immediately you can recollect. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going on talking. This is the zone. This is the zone. Blah 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 blah. You'll forget.
Exactly, sir.
Okay. I'm teaching on various subjects from 1972, 73.
Great, sir.
Okay. So I'm a born teacher. I born on 5th September. Only thing now I'm learning the PowerPoint present. Earlier I was using the transparency and all those things. It was an overhead projector. This I'm just learning. This presentation I made last night after coming home from 9:30 to 10:30. I struggled somehow, but some of the things I remember after that. Oh, I would have put this. That would have better. But slowly I'm learning.
No, sir. The
Okay.
presentation was very well prepared. Rather.
Yeah. For anything, our house is a 90% responsible. We are responsible. Okay.
Right, sir.
That 90% contribution we remove, nothing goes wrong. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
All
much.
right, good. See you. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.